on the front is blue. That means they're in a training exercise, and there is another Coast Guard boat hiding under the bridge. And where'd he go? Where'd he go? He's over there somewhere. And I think he's going to come up and they're going to do intercept drills. We see this every now and then on the Potomac. It's pretty cool. So let's see where he is. Definitely some helicopter traffic. Oh, it's a Nighthawk VH-60, probably going to the Pentagon. It looks like we're too late. Looks like they've already done their drills. This guy's just sitting out here on patrol. The other boat has scampered off back to Coast Guard headquarters, which is at Joint Base Anacostia Bowling. He's not coming back anytime soon. So let's just mosey on. You can hear the cannons going off and the bus. There they go. .21 gun salute for a fallen soldier. Hey guys, good morning. It is Tuesday. And not a lot going on in the city today. I am actually out in the suburbs getting the oil changed in my truck. I'm going to head back into the city though after this is done. But first I'm going to get a Jimmy John's because, you know, Jimmy John's is good. Anyway, let's get a sandwich and then let's make our way back into Washington, D.C., catch what's going on. And it's the Coast Guard. That's an odd sighting. That's a Jayhawk. That's a Black Hawk, but a Coast Guard version of it. We don't see that here in DC much. Just waiting for a motorcade here at, where are we at, 17th and K? Bunch of ambulances going by probably. Somewhere up here. Over there. They started blocking the roads. We have a motorcade assembled. The motorcade's been assembled for 45 minutes. Press has been in the vans for 45 minutes. They're not happy. They just have to get these cars out of the way, and there we go. That's okay, guys, so motorcade has made its way to the Washington Hilton. I actually got yelled at by the route scouts to move my position because they didn't want me over the bridge, but I brought the big lens today, so it didn't really make a difference. Anyway, we've got about an hour to kill before the next event, next motorcade. Let's go wander around the city some, yeah? It's kind of a nice day. Maybe I should get the tripod for the next one. I shot the last one without a tripod. They've been building these all over the city. These are like catchments for storm runoff. And they hope that the water will get like clean or something. Rain gardens, that's what they call them. Before it goes into the sewers, they want the water to get filtrated somehow. Alright, where are we at? We're down by the World Bank headquarters, which is right over there. And the IMF is over here on our right. And we're just going to go forward for a bit and make our way down to the White House, which is about 2 blocks away down there. Maybe we'll get a salad or something. Second lunchtime. Blech. Okay, so we are down at the White House. We just had a salad because I don't know why. It is a gorgeous day today. Look at this. Blue skies. It's about 60 Fahrenheit. What's that, like 15 Celsius, 17 Celsius? So over there, they're working on the gate, it looks like. Those little pop-up gates, they break all the time. They have a lot of wear and tear. So you often see them getting fixed up. I'm not sure if he's going to come all the way down here to return or not. We'll go get set up and see what we can see, yeah? Here we go. Okay, Pennsylvania Avenue on a quiet day. The evangelical candidate for president is out. The Jehovah's Witnesses, the protesters, the squirrels, the construction guys, and the Secret Service. It's a pretty normal day out here. Looks like a delivery of sand. What are you gonna do with that? Oh, maybe that's for the fence. I guess they have to get like security checked every time they go through. Yeah, there's a Secret Service agent walking with them. Officer, I should say. There's some Valentines out on the west lawn in front of the West Wing. Can't really make out what they say. They're aimed at the press because the press is over in the tents. There they are. That's the press tents. So I really can't see them that well from this angle. Okay, let's make our way down. Where are we going today? I'm down parked by the World Bank, so we'll go by Jackson Place. Maybe we'll get some French fries somewhere. The Carnegie Endowment for International Peace is based here. And Trowbridge House. They got signs up today. Face mask required sign. I don't know what's going on in there today. the Harry S. Truman Scholarship Foundation. And this is the presidential townhouse, reserved for former presidents of the United States to stay. And there's an office in the basement. Don't know what these two are. But this is the entrance to the White House Conference Center. They're all connected to Blair House in the back. Then, which one is it? 7:30 is the Council on Environmental Quality. I think it's 736 Jackson Place. Yeah, this is where Teddy Roosevelt lived when the White House was being renovated. So him and his family were here. And then they eventually went up to Sangamore Hill in New York, where his family compound is. And at the end is the Stephen Decatur House, Commodore Decatur's place. Now the White House Historical Society, with a gift shop, but they also do speeches and history and other events here. It's the Jackie Kennedy plaque they just put in. She saved all these houses on the street. All right, let's go down here. Okay, guys, so that was a Tuesday in Washington, D.C. Not really that exciting, yeah. Tomorrow we're going to explore, the big homeless camp in McPherson Square. That's going to be cleared out by the government. I'll try to cover that in the morning. I may be invited to go out to see Biden speak in Maryland. I'm still waiting for confirmation from the press office. And, hey, we'll definitely get something to eat, yeah? All right, thanks a lot for watching today. Subscribe if you haven't. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.